Hi everyone, this is Maureen. Welcome to Classy Epoch. In this video I am going to make a succulent terrarium. It's a good way to keep plants indoor with a minimum of care. For this I have taken a glass pot and I am going to fill few layers and it's going to be a open terrarium. Let's get started. I have taken a bowl of sand and this is our bottom layer. Sand sucks the excess water so that the plants don't rot. I have taken pebbles. I am going to arrange these pebbles over the sand along the edges and fill up the next layer. I have arranged them close. Pebbles drain the excess water and they also give an attractive look to the pot. And now I have taken gravel. This is our next layer. Gravel also serves the same purpose as pebbles. I have taken charcoal and placed it over the gravel. Charcoal keeps the air clean inside for the plants. It also prevents the buildup of microorganisms. So this will be our next layer. I have put a nylon mesh over this to avoid insect sand crossing down. Now I have taken sand and this is our next layer. potting soil, and I have put few layers of soil over the sand to place the succulents. These are few succulents I have collected. This is moss for decoration, and this is cactus and few more plants. Now I am going to plant these all in the terrarium. They don't require much water. Spraying water once in a week would be sufficient to exist. Hey, look at my terrarium. It's pretty good. Try it yourself if you like. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Maureen signing off.